Well, been waiting a long time to come here. Hopefully catch some smallmouth. Beautiful morning. It's actually a lot of boats out here though. A little bit more than expected. I actually got a boat running down the river coming right now, but I don't know, we're gonna have some fun. Maybe we'll get them. What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Gunfish TV. I want to thank you for tuning in to my channel today. I appreciate it very much. Today I'm out here at a river that I've wanted to fish all my life, and I've actually never fished it. So my buddy Aaron last night, he was saying he had an open seat in his boat. I messaged him and he said he was coming out here, and I really wanted to come. So didn't get too much sleep last night. I'm hoping we catch them. I have not caught a smallmouth in probably over 10 years, and that's basically what we're targeting today. So I've actually never caught a smallmouth since I've been doing YouTube either, so you've never seen me catch one on my channel. So hopefully today is the day. Hopefully we catch a bunch of them. There is potential to catch largemouth as well. Maybe on the frog. I do have the frog with me, but hopefully we catch some on top water, catch some fish flipping. I think it's going to be a good day. It was overcast earlier, but actually the clouds have really broken and the sun has started to shine. So I don't know. Hopefully we catch them. Hopefully we get a big one. I think it's going to be fun. All right, we just got the boat in, waiting for Aaron to come back down the ramp. I'm so freaking excited. Water's super clear. I am ready to catch some smallmouth. I've been waiting to fish this river for all my life, really. I mean, I'm looking down. I don't even know how deep it is right here, but I can see the bottom, probably 10 foot. I don't know if y'all can see through my Tifosi optics. See the bottom, but it is clear. You saw one swimming?
Bull bass.
Oh, I see him. Yep, right there. All right, we at the first spot. Let's see, what are we gonna throw? I think we'll start off with the popper. If I can get it out of here, my rods are all wrapped up. All right, I'm gonna start off with the old Azuma. The Azuma popper. See if we can get the first smallmouth I've caught in at least 8 years, at least. Yeah. First fish of the day right there.
That's a tiny one.
That is a tiny one.
What? No skunk. Yeah, he ate that thing too.
Look at a little smallmouth. That is cool. First fish, no skunk. That didn't take long. He was a little guy, but this water's beautiful. How clean it is. Another one's on it. Oh yeah, I see it. They're on that little jerkbait. I have not had one come up and look at this top water yet. All right, got the old trusty rage bug on here. We've seen a couple pretty nice ones swimming. So pitch around a little bit, see if we can get one. Would you have one follow? Oh, I see it. I see it coming up. So do you ever see muskies swimming?
I personally haven't seen any in this stretch. I did catch one on that stretch where I said that we drove over that bridge where LJ fishes. I caught one in the spring on a little swim bait.
Gotcha.
I mean, I'm sure that there's a good chance you can see one in here. I don't fish here like a ton.
Right, there's one on the rage bug. Yes, there we go. First smallmouth that I've caught in I don't know when. He bumped the old rage bug good too. About time. About time I got me old smallie.
You said that they eat rage bug everywhere, right?
They eat the rage bug everywhere. Yep.
That's pretty cool. That's the first one you caught in so long.
Yep, it is. Pretty fish. Thank you, bud. Yep, he bit it good.
Well, that's decent.
Oh, it got. Oh yeah.
Decent for here.
Yeah. Pretty little dude.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, I know that exact bait. That's a Bass Pro XPS.
This is a.
Yeah.
I think this is a trap minnow or something like that.
Yeah. Look, that right there is what I catch the shad on in the river in the spring. That exact one, that Bass Pro XPS in the greenback herring color. Dude, wrecks them. Smallmouth number 3 in the boat. Oh, yeah, I mean, where'd he come from? Like, where did that brim come from? Red throat. Yeah, I mean, they're so wild. Like, sitting there looking right at it and just nothing's there.
Same with the old norm stuff.
Yep. They're just looking at it. See, there's one there, one there, one there. Ooh! Yep. He pulled hard.
Yep. Heck yeah. I just missed one too.
Now this guy right here, this is a hook in the hand guy.
For sure.
This is one of them. I will put them hooks all up in your hands. So we're gonna be smart. We're gonna get the pliers. Because even getting them with the pliers can be dangerous. They can still get them in you. He crushed it though. He absolutely crushed it. There we go. Thank you, buddy. I need to take a picture of one of them. Nice. Oh, he crushed it.
Oh, come on.
Oh, a red throat. Oh, it's just a brim. Yeah, I mean, he smoked it.
I thought for sure that was going to be a small one.
Yeah. I mean, dude, catches some nice brim. I mean,
wanted to keep some fish to eat.
Man, fish fry all day right there.
Man, he smoked that thing so hard.
He hit it hard. I mean, not playing. Yep, he was not playing. Oh! I mean, straight smoked it. Look at that, red throat. I'm gonna tell you what. You can't get hit, no, dude. These are, I mean, you about to make me have a fish fry. Like, I mean, these are some nice
So pretty,
I mean, they are, man.
Just in that clear water, you know, just...
I mean, they're chomping that thing. And when they're hitting it, they are not playing. Got one on the little jerkbait. I was just sitting there thinking I might pick that back up now that this water's done got a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
rip that thing around and might be able to pull up a big one.
And that's what I was kind of thinking about, throwing the water blocker, just because I know if I get a bite, I won't get a lot of bites.
There's another one. There's one on the jerk bait.
Big enough to make it fun?
Smallmouth, yep. Big enough to make it fun, but small enough to stick you in the hand.
Oh, that wasn't fish good. Oh, he threw it back to my jerk bait. That was wild.
A little guy on that jerk bait. Pretty little fish. All right, thank you, bud. Oh, he come off. That would have been my biggest one. Oh yeah, I see it. Yep. Yep, that would have been my biggest one. Come off. Yep, there is a couple right there. Oh, I mean, he absolutely smoked it. There we go. That's a little teeny bit better one. Little chunk. Yep. Go and get it out of you.
I'll get a picture of that one before you throw it back.
I got you. Pretty little dude. There we go. That is my best one of the day. He's a little guy, but he was fun. He absolutely crushed that jerkbait. I can't imagine what it's going to be like to really get a big one. He smoked it. Just throwing that little Azuma jerkbait. See if we can get us a show enough tank. I'd be happy with a 14, 15 incher. They pull so hard. Got one? There we go. Oh, I mean, dude, I'm talking about just some absolute big freaking bluegill and red throat, pumpkin seed, all of them. He's just a tank.
Not boring.
No, not at all. That's a pretty one. I mean, nice. I'm gonna throw the popper a little bit just to see if we can make something happen. Yeah, that one Azuma popper that I caught that big one on that day me and you were together.
Yeah.
I ended up getting cut off and losing that one.
Really?
Yeah, hurt my feelings. So this is the second one I've ever had.
Something like fight it off?
Yeah. Oh, first cast with a popper. All right. We got out here in this little bit deeper water. I just decided to pick that popper up. Man, they're so pretty down there in that clear water. Nice. There he is, pretty little smallmouth on that Azuma popper. Thank you, buddy. Ooh, that's a bass. That is a bass. I could tell by the way that fish blew it. Oh, smallie.
Man, it doesn't ever get old catching them.
Oh, no. Oh, he almost got you.
That was close.
Whoo, he almost got you. That exact bait is what made me gun shy. Rico, hey, just get the pliers. Get the pliers. I'm gonna have to be doing the braid trick. There you go. Pretty one. Just trying to get Aaron back. Yeah, that was real close. That was very close. I bet out here, like on a cloudy day, like right before it's about to storm or something, and the fish turn on, I bet that's when you could really catch some big ones. That is not a big one, but he popped it. Small jaw. Get up here. Chill out. There we go. This tree's got some fish in it.
How many fish we've caught on like pretty pressured day, like, you know?
Oh, I know.
People over out here and stuff. I mean, like, we've probably caught 20 fish, I bet now. Let's do it if not.
Yeah, because I mean, there's a lot of people here when we got here. I was really surprised. All right, we're gonna make the move. Make the move on up the river. Right here? All right. Oh yeah, the old frog. All right, so we just ran down the river. And it's a dam down here. If I can get my rod, I don't know what I got going on here, but it's a dam down here, so the water's a little bit deeper, got some grass, and we're gonna throw the frog up here in it. See if we can get one. Just talked to a guy that had an 806, caught an 806 about 5 or 10 minutes ago. So we're gonna see if we can get one like that. Okay, that is a big girl. 8-pounder.
Take one of them.
I will take one of them. Oh, dude, he ate it as soon as it hit the water. There we go. I mean, as soon as it hit the water. Nice. Nice. Got him one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, like you said, like, soon as it hit, like I wasn't even looking.
Yeah, like I mean, as soon as it hit the water. I got on black and yellow. I don't know what colors they really prefer in here.
The leopard frog one.
Yeah.
I don't get too crazy about the frog.
Yeah, I mean, most time in the river, sometimes they'll be on black, and then sometimes they'll be on like a white shad type color or whatever, you know. A lot of times I like to throw black when it's like overcast or it's muddy, you know. I got him. I was going to say that'd be the perfect place for one to be. I saw it coming through and it was like that thick, you know, a bunch of mat just up against each other. And I was like, that is the perfect spot. Another frogfish.
Smallmouth, largemouth and frog, college football, UFC fight.
Good day.
Good day.
All right, back up the river. I'm gonna pick the popper back up, which I don't know how smart that is because they sure laid off the frog down the river, but I'm gonna start off with that anyway. All right, so we're right here close to 2:30, and we're probably gonna fish till around 3, but we're kind of getting the vibe that the fish have shut off a little bit. We're not really getting any bites up here, not really getting anything chasing, not a lot of activity going on. We have not caught a fish since we've been up here. Had a few bites, but not much. But thinking the fish might just be taking their midday break. Oh, now Aaron has got the biggest fish of the day right here. Show us that absolute monster.
This is what you got up at 3 o'clock in the morning for right here.
Oh man, yeah, so we're gonna fish a little bit longer and maybe we can get into a big one, but we're kind of thinking that the fish have taken a break from biting and they might fire back up later in the evening when we're not gonna be here, but that's okay. It's been a fun day. And the scenery's so pretty out here. I mean, you don't get no better than that. That's as good as it gets right there. Another fish on it? Got one?
I saw him come up and eat it, and then I couldn't find my bug anymore.
Yeah.
So then I threw everything and moved the stuff. Guy, that's the end for me.
There he is. Aaron said he is done. I'm gonna make a few more casts and I'm gonna be done, but we had fun. I mean, we caught, and I know I'm not gonna be able to show them all to y'all in this video. There's just no way. But I mean, I would say we caught, how many fish did we catch?
I'd say at least 30.
Probably, yeah, I mean, at least 30. That's what I was thinking. We caught a ton of smallmouth. A bunch of them were small. I got one right here in front of me, as a matter of fact. I'm sitting here looking at him. But a bunch of them were small, but they were really, really fun to catch. We did see a few big ones. I actually saw a big largemouth. A guy, we saw him and did he wave us down? I wasn't even looking, but.
I know who he was.
Okay, so Aaron knew him, but anyway, guy caught an 8.06, just a monster out of here. Largemouth now, not a smallmouth. Look, that is a nice smallmouth right there. Do you see him? Yep, that was a nice smallmouth. But anyway, so big ones are here. I'm definitely gonna come back. Maybe I'll come back when the leaves are changing, when it's even prettier. That's not hardly possible, but had fun. Had fun. We'll go ahead and get this thing in. We're gonna call it a day.